So, you want to know, what is mediation? Well, that's a great question. Hi, my name is Dave Hilton. I am a mediator, conflict coach, and the host of the Conflict Specialist Show. And in this video, I'm going to answer your question about mediation. So let's start with a simple definition. At its core, mediation is a structured discussion where an impartial person, known as a mediator, helps you reach an agreement with someone else. Mediation is a form of what's known as ADR, Alternative Dispute Resolution. Types of ADR include mediation, negotiation, arbitration, facilitation, and several others. But there's a lot more about mediation we still need to talk about for me to answer your question. One of the things about mediation that confuses people is knowing who makes the decisions. In court, a judge decides who wins and who loses, but a mediator is not a judge. Mediators do not make decisions during a mediation or take sides. Here's a really unique way to look at it. Just think of a mediator as a human GPS, but instead of helping you navigate roads, accidents, and construction, a mediator helps you navigate difficult conversations, conflict, and communication. A mediator uses their special skills, training, and knowledge to help you find a path to an agreement, one that everyone is satisfied with. If you decide you don't like the way the conversation is going at any point during a mediation, you can take a different direction. And just like an electronic GPS adapts to help you find a different route, a good mediator will adapt to help you identify new paths to a possible agreement. There are lots of benefits to mediation. Here are just a few. Mediation is confidential. Now, there are a few exceptions. Mediation is usually voluntary, and it gives you control of the outcome. Mediation is usually faster than litigation. And mediation is balanced and fair to everyone involved. In fact, according to the American Arbitration Association, 85% of all mediation results in a settlement. Mediation is successfully used every day by couples, families, businesses, the government, the court system, religious and nonprofit organizations, schools, communities, and people just like you. And now you know what mediation is. Have other questions or want to learn more about mediation? Click one of the links below. Thanks for watching.